I ain't gonna let nobody hurt me. I'm not gonna let nobody hurt my family. And I will kill you if you come around my kids with that bullshit. That's just real talk, you know. Family is the most important thing.
Yeah, it's the order of the day.
Yeah, and you got to look out for your own. And we ain't gonna let nobody snatch us off our mainframe and take
Got
nothing
some
from
money,
us.
Sprite, and big ass hoes. Only thing on my mind is getting bankrolls. You know how it goes. Players get chose. That's why I'm on my grind, trying to make mo when I'm faded. Way too gone. Got my mind elevated. I've been smoking on the strong. Just pop 2 pills and I pop 2 more. Drink another bottle, now my ass on the floor. What you really know about getting fucked up? Did so many drugs that my mind got stuck, and I'm changing, switching lanes, leaving niggas behind that be acting lame. Headed to the club to get another bottle. Tryna fuck a hoe, she ain't gotta be a model. Just drop down on her knees, spread her legs, then swallow. Kick that bitch out, you won't see her tomorrow. Cause I'm headed to her friends, gonna see if she'll follow. On the way to the club, we pop another bottle. Ciroc and Patron, that's a hell of a combo. Music so loud, pedestrians wobble. Money in your hand, but we got a deal. Smoke weed and chill, and keep it real. Till I die, I'll forever be trill. Tell me what's the deal? You don't get fucked up like we do. Smoking blunts, jamming screw. You don't get throwed like we do. Sipping syrup, swinging through. You don't get this money like we do. Sticky green, bills is blue. You don't keep it G like we do. You don't keep it G like we do. I woke up feeling like smoking. Just rolled a blunt and I'm choking. Wake and bake, no I'm floating. So hot for real, I ain't joking. About to bust my lungs open, but fuck it, I just kept toking. Got money out the safe and went rolling. Watch out for laws that patrolling, cause I know that they be hoping that I'm riding dirty and holding. But fuck it, my shit's golden. Codeine in my Sprite till I make that shit dirty. I bent that bitch over and made her come early. All I do is get money, bitch, I know that you heard me. Strong ass team of the niggas ain't worthy. Don't really want beef or you looking like jerky. Fuck with me, ho, get roasted like turkey. Cause I'm getting to the cash, yeah, I'm getting to the dough. Comes getting money, I'm a motherfucking pro. Comes getting high, I just blazed the O. Comes getting throwed, I just pulled a foe. When it comes to being G, I fed the whole fam. I'm not the one you should fuck with, man. Cause you'll never be a G, you can never fuck with me. You don't wanna make money, rather watch TV. I'm a Texas soldier, bending corners. Like Mickey D's, I've been serving odors. Deep in the game since I was 18, 22 years old, still hustling. Started from the bottom, now I'm rising to the top. Creme de la creme, I'm the cream of the crop. Fuck with my fam, then my 4-5 pops. All I need is good weed and a bitch that bops. Pint of codeine so my screw shit prop. Fly ass whip says fuck the cop. Only rule to the game is don't get caught. Don't be flashing what you got. Can't have too much traffic at your spot. I'ma keep hustling till my heart stops. You don't get fucked up like we do. Smoking blunts, jamming screw. You don't get throwed like we do. Sipping syrup, swinging through. You don't get this money like we do. Sticky green, bills is blue. You don't keep it G like we do. You don't keep it G like we do. You don't get fucked up like we do. Smoking blunts, jamming screw. You don't get throwed like we do. Sipping syrup, swinging through. You don't get this money like we do. Sticky green, bills is blue. You don't keep it G like we do.